Have you ever done something that seemingly goes completely against your best interests? You can't even understand why you did it? Or maybe you're more familiar with this, a voice in your head that is constantly criticizing. There is no way that you can do enough for this voice to be satisfied. These two things might seem like they're not connected at all, but actually they're both parts and they have very good reasons for doing what they're doing. Let me explain. This comes from a model called Internal Family Systems, or IFS for short, and it was created by a psychologist named Richard Schwartz. This framework or this lens is incredibly helpful for understanding ourselves and being able to connect better with ourselves. So one of the things I love about it is that simply by naming something as a part, we're already creating distance from that. And this allows us to actually own maybe some of the less desirable characteristics that we might otherwise shove down and pretend that we don't have. It's a lot easier to say, I have a part that's feeling really judgmental about this, than I feel really judgmental about this, or I'm judgmental. Okay, so in IFS, we have 3 different types of parts. The first one I want to talk about today are called exiles. Now, exiles are parts of us that are usually very tender, usually developed at a very young age, and they carry these burdens of extremely painful emotions, things like shame and fear, things that we do not want to be living with on a daily basis. And so we kind of shove them down and try to pretend that they're not there. If you're familiar with shadow work, this is a similar sort of concept to that. They're parts of us that we really don't want to look at. Now, the other 2 types of parts we have are protector parts. Their job is to stop us from coming into contact with these exiles. And within these protector parts, we have firefighters. Their job is to reactively deal with the emergence of exiles. So firefighters sometimes have extreme strategies to protect us from these very disturbing feelings. If you have ever found yourself, maybe you're on a diet and suddenly you've eaten an entire bag of chips and you don't know what happened, that could have been a firefighter jumping in to save you from some uncomfortable feelings. Or if you find yourself scrolling for hours, or maybe something happens and you go out and get drunk as a way to not experience those feelings, any kind of numbing behavior, that can be a firefighter stepping in to rescue you from what would otherwise be excruciating feelings. The next type of protector that we have are called managers. So these guys are proactive in their approach, and they look a lot like the inner critic, or maybe your inner drill sergeant. They can develop strategies like perfectionism. Their way of keeping you safe from exiles is to prevent them from ever surfacing in the first place. So if you can just be perfect enough, if you can just do that thing well enough, or control the situation, that is going to keep you safe in the minds of your managers. Obviously, perfectionism is pretty uncomfortable because you're always going to fail, or having some part of you consistently criticizing you is deeply uncomfortable. Despite the fact that these parts, these firefighters and managers, might have kind of wacky strategies to keep you safe from these feelings, they are really trying their best to keep you safe. So even if you don't agree with it and it might seem like self-sabotage to eat an entire bag of chips, it's protected you from some deeply uncomfortable feelings that it is afraid you might not be able to handle. Now, within IFS, there is another important part that's not a part, and we call this our self with a capital S. So our capital S self is what's left when we ask all of these parts to step aside. It is kind of the leader of the ship, or some people might call it like your higher self. So your self is characterized by 8 C's: calm, clear, compassionate, courageous, confident, connected, curious, and creative. This is how we recognize self. If we're feeling irritable or judgmental, or having anything that's not kind of within that realm of like calm and confident and compassionate coming up, then we know that we're with some kind of part. And if that part is coming up with judgment of something, it might be its way of trying to warn you, perhaps this doesn't feel safe. Maybe we should back away from the situation. all of your parts have your best interest at heart. They may have outdated strategies, or they may have quite childlike strategies. They may not understand how old you are. They may not trust you to captain the ship, but they all have your best interest at heart. Now, the aim in IFS is to access this self energy so that you can express compassion towards your parts, and so that you can help them unburden some of these difficult emotions that they've been carrying around. If you have a manager part that has been really stressed out for years trying to make sure that you're okay, the idea is to befriend that part, show them some understanding, and allow them to take a break. And one of the most beautiful things about IFS is that it's not pathologizing any of these behaviors. It's saying everything you're doing makes sense, everything has a reason, and it's about connecting with yourself, finding out what that reason is, and finding a way to let that part relax so that you, in your self energy, with your compassion and your connectedness and confidence and calm, can proceed in a way that is actually going to benefit all of you, the entire internal family system. So watching this, you may have noticed some parts come up. Maybe there was a judgmental part, or maybe there was a part that got distracted. And if you did notice those, that's fantastic. Those are called trailheads, and that's where you can begin this kind of detective work of understanding what's going on. At the beginning, it's really just about noticing who's there and maybe even showing them a little bit of gratitude. And if this video resonated and you'd like to hear more about connecting with your parts, let me know in the comments.